A lot of people living in the cars right there. Cars and all of the these, but it's a little warm for us down here. 92 right now. The wind's blowing. It's nice, but it'd be a little too warm for me in a car. I guess I'm just silly. I probably some people can do it. I'm just too old, I think. Mountains from here are unbelievable. This is the 14-day area of Quartzsite, and it's the free area for 14 days. There's other areas that have, of course, everybody's pretty much, there are some people staying here. There's some people staying here, but it's hot. I don't see how they're staying here. It's so hot.
Degree is it outside?
Huh? 91 degrees down here right now. And this is most people have solar. One guy had a mini split on the back of his motorhome, which would allow him to run the air conditioner pretty much 24/7 on solar. Lots and lots of fire pits, as you can see down here in the winter time. They come down here and they stay for months. So this will stay 2 weeks here, but they can get a full year or 6-month pass for, I don't know, they were thinking about going up. That's another place. He's got a lot of solar.
People may not want you to film here.
What?
They may not want you to film.
Jeep. Ain't you glad you got a Jeep? You see there's a van back in there and people stand. There's an ambulance back there, and there's somebody I saw with at the front of it up here. It was with Nomadic Fanatic on his video. He has there's another ambulance over there somebody built out or something.
That looks like a UPS truck.
UPS truck or something they built out. Not too many people here.
Moments later.
This is the Quartzsite rock shop. Beautiful quartz. That's all the stuff it has up there. Pretty good. Just looking if you don't care. I'd like to record some if you don't care.
Huh?
Can I record some?
Yeah, you can.
Amazing stuff. Amazing. You got some rocks, hadn't you?
They got a few.
That's-
Manufacturing comes out of Brazil.
Where you find all this stuff?
Brazil, most of it is.
Brazil?
95% comes out of Brazil.
Really?
Yeah, that's where the owners from originally.
Oh, wow.
They've never even stocked it up outside in the 10 years I've been here. Some of you used to have.
That's some beautiful, beautiful stuff.
That's hard to believe rock is out of ground, huh?
Yeah. Anybody find any gold anywhere around here? They,
Gold? No, we got some root-related stuff. Everybody thinks it's gold like this stuff. That's
Yeah.
the outside of it. That's green permanent, actually.
pyrite. That's what the people get this pyrite.
It cost too much. It was
False.
$5 a piece. Now you're trying to say $1 a gram. You can buy the big ones for cheaper than you can the little ones.
Wow. How much are these?
Should be 20 on those also.
$20?
Yeah, my sign flew away on them. 15 for the small one. Just a little bit. You go steep on this thing.
Oh,
I'd say 17.
yeah. My wife might shoot me if I spent $20 for a rock.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, that sweet baby. What are those big things? Those?
Quartz clusters.
Oh wow. $40 a pound.
Yeah, kind of steep on some of this.
Most of your stuff's by the pound.
Yeah, most of it is. You can add it quick. Try to knock whatever you can off the side.
$3,785. Wow.
Yeah, maybe.
That's amazing. Well, thank you for letting me look.
No problem.